So we are going from Fort Lauderdale Airport to Miami Airport, and only $5. So we're gonna take the tri-rail. And if you're wondering what the trailer is, it is a commuter train that connects Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and West Palm Beach. Perfect for affordable travel across South Florida. My journey begins at Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport, also known as FLL. You've landed, and now it's time to make our way to baggage claim. Once you have your luggage, head toward the nearest exit and follow the signs Ground Transportation. They are hard to miss. Big blue signs posted all around. And just walk confidently in that direction and exit to whichever door is the closest. Outside the terminal, you will find various transportation zones, so make sure to go in the right way. I went to Area B, where you can catch the free airport shuttle. This is important. 2 shuttles stop here, one for Brightline train and another for the tri-rail, which is the one that we are taking. Both shuttles stop at the same place, so pay close attention and make sure you board the tri-rail shuttle. Now we are on board of the free shuttle, which will take us outside the airport grounds and straight into the tri-rail station. It makes a few stops and another terminals before heading to the train. Then you will find plenty of space to store your bags, and there's even a sign on board showing you all the stops. As you ride, enjoy your first view to South Florida, palm trees, sunshine, and that Florida breeze coming through the windows. Once you arrive at the tri-rail station, it is time to buy your ticket. Head over to the ticketing machine. It's usually right by the entrance or near the platform. On the screen, select the option One-Way Quick Ticket. After that, you will see a map of the tri-rail system with all the zones and stops. Where we were at the very first stop of Zone H, and our destination was Zone I, where the Miami Airport Station is located. So, I selected the drop-off point in Zone I, and the machine calculated the fare. Just $5 for a one-way ride. Now, a quick heads up. The machine I used was having issues with accepting credit and debit cards. So, just to be safe, I recommend bringing a few dollars in cash with you, especially in smaller bills. Once the payment is complete, the machine will print out your ticket. It's a small thin paper slip, so make sure you don't lose it because they check it. Before heading up to the platform, check the timetable posted nearby. It will show you exactly when the next train is arriving and whether or not it's on time or delayed. Trains don't usually run constantly, so checking this will help you plan your wait and know when it's ready to be on the platform. I had to wait for about 15 minutes before the train arrived, and once it did, it was time to board. Since I was carrying a large bag, I chose to stay on the first floor to avoid hauling everything upstairs. Super convenient. Inside, there is a map that shows all the upcoming stops. We had 7 stops ahead of us. There was also a restroom on board, and the seats are really comfy. The entire ride to Miami Airport took about typically 50 to 60 minutes. And it was just super a comfortable way to get into. And just like that, we made it to Miami Airport, all for only $5. If you're looking for a budget-friendly way to travel South Florida, tri-rail is definitely the way to go.